Welcome to UK Smart Money, your guide to saving more, living better, and growing financially in the United Kingdom. Here you'll learn smart money saving tips, UK cost of living guides, budgeting for students and workers, cheap grocery hacks, side income ideas, UK bills, rent and utilities explained financial advice made simple. Subscribe and start your journey to smart UK living today. YouTube automation in the UK is one of the smartest ways to earn money online without showing your face. And in this video, I will explain the complete UK-based process step by step in a very simple way, so anyone can start, even if you have no experience, no camera, and no confidence to speak on YouTube. First of all, let's understand what YouTube automation actually is. YouTube automation means running a YouTube channel, where content creation tasks like script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail design are outsourced or automated, while you focus only on research, uploading, and growing the channel. Now in the UK, this model works very well because CPM is high, advertisers pay more, and niche-based channels can earn between £500 to £5,000 per month if done properly. The first step is niche selection, and this is the most important part. In the UK, the best automation niches include finance, luxury, facts, business stories, motivation, real estate, tech reviews, celebrity news, and documentaries. For beginners, I always recommend starting with facts, motivation, or luxury niche, because content is evergreen and copyright safe. Now, once you choose a niche, you need to do competitor research. Go to YouTube, search your niche, and analyze top UK or English channels. Check their video length, thumbnails, titles, and posting frequency. Don't copy, but learn the pattern. Next step is channel creation. Create a Gmail account, open YouTube channel, choose a professional channel name related to your niche, for example, Luxury Minds UK or Smart Facts Hub. Add a clean logo and banner which you can easily design on Canva. Now comes content creation, which is fully automated. First, you need scripts. You can write scripts yourself, or hire writers from Fiverr or Upwork for £5 to £10 per script. Scripts should be engaging, storytelling-based, and at least 1,200 to 1,500 words for 8 to 10-minute videos. Longer videos mean more watch time and more revenue in the UK. After script comes voiceover. You can hire UK or neutral English voiceover artists from Fiverr, or use AI tools like Murph, 11 Labs, or PlayHT. Always choose clear British or neutral accent, because it performs better with UK audience. Then comes video editing. Editors can be hired for £10 to £20 per video, or you can use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or CapCut. The video should include stock footage, subtitles, and smooth background music. Never use copyrighted content. Use websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or paid sites like Storyblocks. After editing, you need a high click-through thumbnail. Thumbnails are very important in automation. Simple text, emotional faces, or luxury images work best. Use Canva or hire a designer. Now upload the video with SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. Always include keywords like UK, make money, passive income, depending on your niche. Consistency is key. Upload at least 3 to 4 videos per week. Don't expect money in first month. YouTube automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Normally it takes 2 to 4 months to see results. Now let's talk about monetization. First income source is YouTube AdSense. Once you complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization. UK RPM is high, so even 50,000 views can generate good income. Second income source is affiliate marketing, promote UK-based products, Amazon links, finance apps or courses. Third income source is sponsorships once your channel grows. Now, very important legal point for the UK. If you are earning from YouTube in the UK, you must register as self-employed with HMRC and declare income. Always keep records. This keeps you safe and professional. Many people fail in automation because they quit too early or choose wrong niche. Success comes with patience, reinvesting earnings, and improving content quality. If you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, YouTube automation can become a full-time passive income source in the UK. This is exactly how Faceless channels are earning thousands every month. And if you want to succeed, you must treat YouTube like a real business, not a hobby. So start small, stay focused, and keep uploading, because one viral video can change everything.